Guys, welcome back to my video on Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to do a few unboxings of a few phones I've had sitting here for a little bit. Let's get started with this one here. That one's stuck in there. That should be all of them. Here we have the Samsung Rant, which I actually have one of these that needs an LCD, so I could probably make one of these work. Model is SPH M540. It's on Sprint. And I'm using my iPhone 15 Pro Max to record. I ended up breaking my S24 Ultra. So I don't really like the way the iPhones zoom in on small text, but we'll see what we can do. It's got power, looks like it turns on. Here is a Samsung SGH X495, SIM card, no battery. Pretty decent shape. I might have a battery. I think I have one of these, but the speaker's bad if I remember right. There's that one there. Here's this one working. Here is a Samsung SGH T528G. Does have a SIM card, no battery. Is on track phone. Does have a resistive touchscreen. Looks to be in decent shape, so that's kind of nice. Here's another device here. It is a Samsung, this one has no battery, I can tell. Samsung SGH T339. No battery, no SIM card. But looks to be in pretty good shape. A few scratches on the front. The LCD doesn't look busted. So it's kind of nice. There's that one, and here we have another one. This is a LG Neon 2, if I remember right. Model number GW370. There's kind of, I know I said I don't like the way the iPhones focus. They just, focus every time I use mine. Looks like a little bit of water damage. The screw looks a little rusty. Indicator looks a little red. It might be dead. No back cover either. Pretty shape. It does have some scratches on it, but this is a plastic resistant touchscreen and they always scratch, so that's typical for those there. Here we have a Samsung S4 Mini on Verizon. SCH I435 does have a SIM card in it, and a battery, and a back cover. It is cracked though, if I remember right. Yeah, up at the top. Seems to be dead or have no power. Could be the AMOLED is damaged also. Wipe the screen down real quick. Looks to be just the glass that's cracked. I'll have to charge it and see if we get lucky, but pretty decent shape. I do have an S4. I think it was cracked though, but now I have the Mini, so. Here is a S7 Edge on Verizon. It is cracked. I don't know if it worked or not either. Wipe the screen down on it. I don't think it did. AMOLED panel. For the most part, looks to be good. I don't see any. This spot's pretty deep here, so maybe I'll have to try to charge it and see what it comes up with. Overall, it's decent shape. It looks like it's been in a case for a while, and it's got a lot of dirt built up on it, and it's got a little nick there on the corner. I do want to fix some of these phones, make some videos on them, on some of these older smartphones. Then we have this one here. I am about to start filming the collection update video and probably do the carrier shutdowns and startups again. So it's going to take me a while to do that. So if I'm not posting for a while, it's probably going to be messing with that. That takes a lot of time. Here we have a Sprint Samsung S3 in the blue color. Wipe the screen down on it. Which I think I have a white one, but it's got a crack in it. This one, display looks to be in really good shape. Not a lot of scratches on it. AMOLED panel doesn't look broken. It's in pretty good shape. Let's check the charging port. These usually break. Looks good there. It does have a battery in it from what I feel. SCH L719. No memory card. Sprint phones don't have a SIM card at this time anyways. They did when they started going toward the 4G. They started adding some of them. No power on this one either. And then, wasn't gonna do an unboxing on this one, but we can. It's a iPod Shuffle, the first gen. I used one back in the day. It wasn't mine personally, but this one popped up and I think it was like 10 bucks. So I went ahead and said we'll give it a shot. It is the 1 gig model, which is unusual because all I've really seen was the 512 megabytes. So here it is. And the gig indicator is on the USB plug. There's your on-off switch, battery indicator. And this one came with the neck lanyard, which is pretty yellow. But you'd run that around your neck and then have your headphones on there. The top is your headphone plug-in. And then this is, I'm guessing, a strap you'd go on your arm maybe when you're working out. Looks like it's broken though. It's got a pretty cracked up around here too. But yeah, I don't know, it's just a quick little thing. No, there's anything I can really do with it. I don't know if, I've seen they do make batteries for them. I don't know if you can take it apart very easily. I don't know. But hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.